welcome to our YouTube channel Competition Prep Zone. I'm Khushbu Tiwari and today we will cover about the interview preparation tips. Now, before the interview starts, what are the major points and we should know about it, about like these questions will come in your interview. Now, there are some of the tips which we will discuss, like whenever the interview starts. So the first question which interview actually asks you about is tell me about yourself. Now, when I was giving my interview to tell me about yourself, I was preparing so many times. Now I was like, I can discuss about myself. So you should be like that only, that whenever someone will ask about you, that tell me about yourself, then you should be actually know about yourself, and you should be well aware that from where you are actually need to start and from where you want to end it. Now tell me about yourself. This is the one of the first question, and how you will actually give your answer. Now what ideal candidate will do is, first you will come about what you are doing currently, okay, and then what you are actually preparing about yourself, how you are actually you want to personate about your living, about your work, about your last education, what work experience you have. So these things you should actually arrange whenever you are actually giving your whenever you are answering this question. Now this is the one of the question which actually moderator will ask, and why do you want this job? Now this is the second question. Now this job is the interviewer knows that you're actually you have to apply for this job, and this is one of the good position which they are offering to, but why do you want this? So you should actually tell about your positive point, that why you are actually you're one of them, that you are the perfect fit for this job. So you should actually speak about your positive points. Now third question will be the why should we hire you? Now this question is very similar to our second question. Now what the hiring manager want is, they want to know that you have that required qualification, you have those skills, so you can actually frame your answer in your qualification, your skills. If you have done your analytics as a course you have done, so you can speak about your analytics skills. And if you have a good leadership, so you can tell about the leadership quality. And also you can give those answers which is given in that job description. Now the fourth question is, what is your greatest strength? Now the greatest strength you should be actually tell whenever you are actually qualified for that position. When you are asked about your greatest strength, it is important to discuss about your attributes. Now those attributes is actually similar to that job description. So this is very important whenever you are applying to the interview, and you should actually give those attributes related to that job description. Now the fourth is, what is your greatest weakness? Never talk about your negativity. Whenever you are framing your answer related to the weakness, so you can tell about those skills, like this is the question, it is an opportunity to you actually overcome those weaknesses, and you are actually trying to actually remove your weaknesses. Like if you're not able to complete your work on time, so you can actually give your examples that this is your weaknesses, but you have actually overcome by doing the job on the time. Now you're completing your project on time. So this is the one of the weaknesses, so that interview will get to know that yes, this person has actually overcome his weaknesses, and he is very good and he is very positive towards this job. Now the next question is, why do you want to leave? Means, why do you want to leave your last job, and what happened during your last job and you have come to the decision that you don't want to continue it. So the interview wants to know that why you left your job and why you want to work, and what you are looking into. So you can tell about that you're looking for the good growth, as well as you want to actually want more challenges. You want to be a part of the team, and but you want to keep your answer as a positive. So this is the one of the point which you can actually overcome it, and you are giving a good positive answer to the interviewer. Now, what is your salary expectation? So this is the one of the answer which what I should tell you about is always tell that you're not actually greedy about the salary. So you should be like, whatever the job description is given, always the salary is mentioned. Like sometimes it is not mentioned, then you should tell that the position which is for that position, if you are hiring some 8 to 10 lakhs, then it will be enough for you. Or you're asking for the salary history to the employer, so you can actually get to know about the salary, and you should actually do a research before going to any company. So the next question is, how do you handle the stress and pressure? So stress and pressure is very important. You actually not show during the interview, because one of the interviewer will actually notices you about your everything, about your hand, about your gesture, about your posture. If you have if you are putting your hand like this, it will be a good positive way. If you are actually thinking and you're doing like this, it means you're stressing. So these type of the thing you should not do during the interview. Just practice before in front of the mirror that how you want to give your answers. Now the next question we will discuss here is describe your difficult work situation or project, how you handle it. Now the interviewer wants to know how you respond when faced with a difficult decision, and the question is again, it is about the stress, so that you will actually you will think about the answer. So be prepared and share an example with him, like what situation you got and how you have handled that situation. So give an example to the interviewer that this is the type of situation was there and how I have overcome that, and this is the problem which occurred. So you have provided a solution to that problem. So this is the thing which is actually which I will get to relate to it. Now, what are your goals for the future? Now, in the future, it means he's focused that you are focused on the job and about the company. So before going to the interview, research about the company, research what they are currently doing it, and how you will actually relate with your personality, and this is the career path which you are looking into the future. So these are the type of the questions which generally the interviewer will ask you. So be prepared, and always prepare yourself and do a research about that company. And whenever you're giving an interview, just what I will suggest is just show your confidence, and because the confidence will give the idea that you are actually prepared for the interview. So this is one of the tip which I will suggest, and just all the best for your interviews, and be focused and be confident, and please subscribe our channel if you like it, and let us know if you have any doubts or queries.